Okay, today you're going to find out what happens to gummy peach rings. This brand is Eileen's. There's other brands out there. I think different ones might react different to being freeze-dried. So this will be interesting. See what happens to these. So I'm going to do 4 trays of these peach rings. I'm going to put parchment paper on these. We don't really need parchment paper. I could put it right on there, but I prefer doing it that way. The other thing you could get these silicone mats that lay out on there. I don't use those an awful lot. Maybe when I'm doing some wet foods or something like that. But for candy, these work just fine. And take these jelly rings, peach rings. Now I'm going to lay them out. So we're going to just go 3 across and 8 down. And 4 trays like that. And when I get those done, we'll put that in the freeze dryer. Show you quick what settings we're going to have. Alrighty, we got 4 trays filled up with these peach rings. Put these in. I had the machine down for a while, wanted to clean it out. Doesn't get too dirty, but clean it out. Just use hot water and Dawn detergent, dish detergent in it. So there they are. And our next step is to do the screen here. Customize. Since we got these gummy rings in here, we're going to set that at the highest temperature. And on here it's 145. Leave the initial freeze at 0. Candy doesn't really have to get frozen, but starting it out fresh, from a fresh start, I'm going to have to start it off with the whole freezing thing. So do a save. And that'll take about 2.5 to 3 hours to get down to 0, and then it'll start the actual freeze-dry process. Close her up, press start, and we're going. I'll wait 15 minutes, get that drum will get cold, and then we can continue. So, until these get done, we'll come back, and you'll see what happens to them. You might be kind of amazed, I'm not sure, but it is interesting. Okay, it looks like the peach rings are done. I'm going to release the vacuum in there. Actually, looks like it's pretty well down. I already warmed the trays, so they should be a little bit warm when they come out. I want to do that so that the moisture in the air doesn't condense on them. There they are. Got 4 trays. That one looked pretty good. They're all looking good. Here's the original size. This is what happened. Got all puffed up, light and airy. So we're going to take those. I'm going to package them up. And I think since we got this machine running at these temperatures and that, I'll just put another batch in anyway. It'll go a lot faster. This batch, since this batch started out at completely off, it took it about 3 hours for it to get to the freeze-dry process. Got it frozen, then it kicked in. And near as I can tell, probably took about 6 hours for it to freeze dry. These on top are small. Mentioned that in one of my videos on Jolly Ranchers. For some reason, the stock tray, they just do not respond the same as the other 3 trays. So, I'm going to package those up. And here's how I package them. Got the little packages made up, bags, labels. And you should be able to fit about 8 to 9 of those in there. Bring it up to 1.8 ounces. Perfect. That'll make it nice. The scale over here will weigh in as we go along. The amount I want in here just fits in this bag, so. Yeah, put a couple of these smaller ones in there. Weigh it. 2.0. Yeah, a little bit too much in there. 1.8 ounces. So let's seal that up. Close it up. Got a heat sealer over here. Heat seal it. And then it's off to the shop.